Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional South African dessert, Milk Tart, or as they say in Afrikaans, Milk Tart. You will find this at every occasion. When there is a barbecue, we call it a braai, or if it's tea time, usually you'll have somebody bringing a Milk Tart with them. It is one of the most iconic desserts that you will find in South Africa. So why don't you join me in the kitchen as I go and show you how to make this amazing dessert. Before you join me in the kitchen, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up so I can bring you more content and more recipes from around the world. I'm Colin and this is Culinary Delights. Let's dive right in. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a cup of white sugar, or if you prefer a less sweet mixture, then add 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cream all the ingredients together and use a little milk in the mixture. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter along with a pinch of nutmeg. Bring the milk and the butter to a slight boil . Slowly add the cream mixture to the boiling milk. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens. Once it's thickened to your consistency or your desire, pour the mixture into the pie crust shell. And let it stand for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, sprinkle cinnamon on top of it. Allow the pie to cool to room temperature. Once it has reached room temperature, then refrigerate for a couple of hours. And there you have it, a delicious dessert that will make you a hit at every party, guaranteed. But don't just take my word for it. My friend Mark is now going to give it a try and let us know if it meets the standards of a truly South African milk tart.
So I'm going to try this authentic South African recipe of milk tart. Great consistency, lovely pastry. This brings back memories, great South African memories of milk tart. Now that is lekker.